These things that I have built right, it should be. It shouldn't be like that. But is it safe to do that? Welcome to My Car and My Life, the channel where I restore my custom car I had in the 90s. Last week we started tackling this door. It has some big dents in it. I think they have maybe put a jack on the door by mistake. Now, when I'm pleased with how this is, before we go on, I will take care of the inside. As you can see here, we have a little bit of rust. I will take away all this, what do you call it, this sealing that are here, and then blaster this area and get some primer on it. After that we can go on with reseal it, of course. Then we go on the outside and do some fairing. Now we'll put some rust converter on it. In this area I tried to push out a little dent from the inside, but I cracked the paint, so I have to take the paint off and do it the right way and repaint it. Then over it with 240. And some 320. And now we continue with these areas here, and all this will be hidden, but I want to have it the right way anyway. So start with 240. When I bought this car last spring, it had paint peeling off from the front here and this fender. And you can see here it's still peeling off in some parts. Okay. It's something that not sticks right, it should be. It shouldn't be like that. It's paint on this filler here. I don't know why. But it's not good. I don't want to repaint the whole hood, so I'm gonna grind down this a bit and see if I can stop it. Something like this, and I'm going to do this on every other spot on the car. Now I'm trying to do the same thing at this other door. Look here. I have some rust here, but I discover it's rust in the front here. It's hard to see, but it's too dark here. But I have rust in this front area, and I can't open the door more than this. So I can't reach it. We have to move the car in the garage. And let's see if I can do that in an easy way. Because the car is up on jacks right now. Maybe I can use these ones that I build with wheels on. Do you think it's do you think I maybe can have get under there? I'll give it a try. The car is standing too narrow to the wall there. I need to bring the car out a bit. We have two options. I can set the wheel back on the car and use these things that I have built to move the car sideways. Or I can try to put the jacks on this, so we can move the car without having the wheels. But is it safe to do that? What can happen? Let me think about that when we clean up here first. If I should use this with all these small wheels here, we have to have a really clean surface on the floor. Something like that. Let's see how I do this. We try the front at first. Now is the car standing on these wagons I built. The floor is a bit uneven and the car is very stiff. So it's only standing on 3 points, and it's been that all the time. But it's not so good when I'm moving it, because it maybe need all the 4 stands, and the one that is not standing on will not move along with the car. But let's see what happens. What will happen? looks really good. Perfect. Now I can open all the doors wide open. Should we let it stand like this, or should I take the wagons away? It will be like this for this day, and I will figure it out how I want to do in the future. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.